Dr. Pepper, yo. That's my shit.
Yes. Yo, Dr. Pepper, the best drinks. One of them.
I got a DP fridge that fits 50 cans in it.
Yo, that's crazy.
And then I,
You put 50 cans in there, bro?
fuck yeah. And then right next to me right now, I got a mini Dr. Pepper fridge that fits 6 cans.
I mean,
This shit's
damn,
smart for
bro.
you.
This really should. You should like
That's
add
why he
them.
joined. He
Come
saw your
on.
name. He got excited.
Yo, I saw that. I was like, I got
Other
joined.
people.
Yeah, that's my people right there. I got joined.
Add them on Twitter, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Sponsored by
Yo, Dr. Pepper, sponsor me,
Diamond
please.
Fridges. No. Like, I got a deep fridge that fits 50 cans of
Swear to
Dr.
God.
Pepper. It's crazy. Yo.
Yo, these names today, bro. Dishwasher?
Yeah, that's right.